I don't think quality education should come with the cost of our daily food.
The issue started in the last week of July. We received a circular appealing us to pay the fees before 7th September. We mailed the higher authorities that it's not possible for some of us to pay such a huge amount during this pandemic situation. The mails were sent from all over the centers of NIFT, but they never gave us the reply.
NIFT expect us to pay for services and commodities that we are not even using right now. I mean, हम उनकी लाइब्रेरी यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं. We don't use their machines, we don't use their softwares, we don't use their computers, we don't use their internet, we don't use their food. मेरे मम्मी और पापा की सैलरी आधी हो गई है यार, और कंडीशन इतनी खराब है that now we have to switch to a lower quality of rice just so they can make ends meet. And during this difficult phase, the college only seem to care about their profit and money making.
We have highlighted how we're facing economic issues and how we're failing to make ends meet. We have situations where there are people who have a single parent who have no source of income, especially during this pandemic.
Before this even came out, the fees structure came out, there were many conversations and many calls and discussions and mails. So I'm from the Delhi campus, and our director, who is also the dean, clearly told us कि LOA ले लो अगर फीस नहीं देनी तुम्हें तो. And she also told us it's not on us that you guys can't come. हम हमारा building खुली है, we are coming, the staff is coming, so it's not on us. So we resorted to social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and also other media platforms like news channels and all.
NIFT released a social media policy which threatens severe disciplinary action such as debarment from exams and placements, suspension, and even expulsion if students were found to be maligning the institution or any of its policies on social media. Now, this policy directly curbs our freedom of speech, as the Supreme Court has clearly stated in the case of Shreya Singhal versus Union of India that clauses in social media policies that limit free speech are unconstitutional. However, this policy is doing its job. It's stopping many students from protesting or voicing their fears online.
We were supposed to start our online classes from 3rd of August, but as they are not listening to us, we decided to boycott the classes so that they at least give a reply to us.
Since the commencement of the boycott, many campuses have actually unofficially threatened students with disciplinary action if the boycott is a means of protest. We have very politely sent all our CCs, directors, and higher authorities mails regarding the fee reduction and a new modified fee structure. We just want a fee structure that will be suitable for all the students from all over the 16 campuses during this pandemic. And as soon as this criteria is fulfilled, we will automatically resume with our classes.